Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my channel. How are you all? I hope my all friends are good. God bless you and always be happy. So friends, in this video I am providing gorgeous and trending frocks crochet ideas. So don't skip the video, watch the video start to end. These crochet frock designs are so stunning and unique. I hope you all love these frocks ideas. So viewers, share the video with your friends and family who want crochet frocks ideas. I really hope that they will love these ideas. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different colors. In this video, you will see different colors and different decent and unique crochet frocks designs. You can design your frocks with using these ideas. Thank you friends for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass crochet frocks collection, it's an amazing collection for them. They will get new design and new ideas related to crochet frocks. These articles used in winter. You know guys, crochet things represent our culture beauty. If you all love this article and if you want more crochet designs ideas, so like my video and subscribe my channel. This article totally handmade. Please subscribe my channel and like my video, and don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Be connected with me and remember me in your prayers. See you soon friends. Allah Hafiz.